What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about track mode, all right, and what that is in the playlist and in FL Studio. Okay, so let's get right into it. So track mode lets you link playlist tracks with mixer tracks and channel rack tracks, so it's all one. If you change one thing on one of them, it will ripple through the chain of the group and change it on every scenario, all right? So let's get right into it. To do this, you're just going to want to right-click an empty track in the playlist. So we'll just right click track 2. We'll go to track mode and we're going to do instrument track. You can do an audio track if you want, but we'll just do instrument track and let's just put in FL keys. Now it's going to drop FL keys in directly into the mixer, into the channel rack, and into the playlist here. And then if I rename it on any one of these, say we just call this chords. When I named it chords, it renamed it in the channel rack, the mixer, and right here in the playlist as well. So I just pasted a MIDI in there, but this helps speed up workflow so you don't have to constantly be routing things. You could just do it with one click of a button. Say we wanted another melody in here. We wanted Omnisphere. We'll go to track mode, instrument track. Let's put Omnisphere in. Go in here, find a good pattern. We'll just do ambient space piano, and then we can paste the MIDI in there. And once again, you can see it right here in the mixer, channel rack, and the playlist all at once. Let's rename this and just call this add. See, it changes it for all of those there as well. It's just super quick, super dope workflow tips. Once again, we can hit paste. And another cool thing is if you want to delete it and delete all of the instances of that, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is right click it, hit delete, okay? And it's gonna ask you also delete associated. You can delete the patterns, mixer track, automations, or just the playlist track. If you just want to delete the playlist track, you can highlight that and vice versa. But if we want everything gone, we'll just hit OK. And it's going to delete it from there, the mixer and the playlist, all right? Don't be sleeping on that tip to group things together and get some really dope workflow, all right? If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.